Having the date or time wrong in photos can be really annoying. The Photos library will always display the latest images at the bottom of the window, so scrolling up moves back in time. We can see the precise date and time that is assigned to an image in the info window under the file name. Here in my library are 4 scanned images from a trip to Iceland in 2000, but the date assigned to these files comes from when they were scanned and created as digital files. This places them next to images from just a couple of years back in my library. To fix that, we can select the 4 images, go to the Image menu, and adjust date and time. I'm not sure of the exact date for each of these, so I'll just enter an approximate date. And just leave the time as something in the middle of the day. That moves these 4 images to the proper location within this library. If needed, we can tweak the exact times or date for each individual image as well. We can also make a quick hourly adjustment using time zones. This can be really helpful if you went on vacation and didn't adjust the time setting in your camera for the new time zone. These 2 images were taken at sunset in Hawaii with a DSLR camera that hadn't been adjusted to that time zone. So the time is shown as 11 p.m. So let's select those and head back into the Adjust Date and Time panel. To fix this, just click on Hawaii in the map, or select a city close to where the photos were taken from this menu. That will adjust the time assigned to the photos by 3 hours, which is the correct time for this sunset.